What if Dodge created an SUV so powerful, so luxurious, and so aggressive that it could challenge the biggest names in the high-performance SUV world? Today on the Car Review Hub, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2026 Dodge Shadow Titan X. This isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a bold mix of American muscle, premium comfort, and serious off-road capability. And by the end of this video, I want to know, would you choose this beast over the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Land Rover Defender, OCTA, or Cadillac Escalade-V? The moment the Shadow Titan X appears, it commands attention. Everything about this SUV feels massive, powerful, and purposeful. It doesn't blend into traffic, it dominates it. Starting at the front, Dodge has given the Shadow Titan X one of the most aggressive faces we've seen in years. A huge blacked-out grille stretches across the front end, creating an intimidating road presence. Illuminated Dodge lettering sits proudly above the grille, making a bold statement day or night. The LED headlights feature a futuristic quad projector, set up with sharp daytime running lights that cut through the darkness. At night, this SUV would look absolutely menacing in any rearview mirror. The front bumper adds even more attitude with large air intakes. Integrated LED light bars, heavy-duty skid protection, and exposed tow hooks. Meanwhile, the sculpted hood features muscular lines and a functional air intake that hints at the performance hidden underneath. Moving to the side, the Shadow Titan X becomes even more impressive. The proportions are enormous. High ground clearance and oversized all-terrain tires give it a commanding stance that makes most SUVs look small. Massive black alloy wheels sit beneath wide fender flares, creating an incredibly muscular appearance. The matte black exterior finish gives the vehicle a stealth fighter look, while subtle body lines add depth and sophistication. Integrated side steps make entry easier while enhancing the rugged design. Roof-mounted utility lights further emphasize the adventure-ready personality of this SUV. Here's a question for you. If Dodge actually built this SUV tomorrow, would you buy it over a G-Class? Let me know in the comments. Around the rear, the design remains just as bold. Slim LED taillights create a futuristic lighting signature, while a full-size spare tire mounted on the tailgate reinforces the vehicle's off-road credentials. The rear bumper features recovery points, protective cladding, and additional lighting elements that make the SUV appear ready for any adventure. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel or deep in the wilderness, the Shadow Titan X looks completely at home. Step inside, and the personality changes dramatically. While the exterior looks like a rugged off-road machine, the interior feels like a premium luxury lounge. High-quality, leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, trim, and brushed aluminum surfaces create an upscale atmosphere throughout the cabin. The seats are large, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. Heated, ventilated, and massaging functions ensure both front and rear passengers enjoy every journey. A fully digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, while a massive infotainment display handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The graphics are sharp, responsive, and modern. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features metallic controls and paddle shifters, constantly reminding the driver that this SUV was designed with performance in mind. One of the highlights is the panoramic glass roof stretching across most of the cabin. It fills the interior with natural light and creates an open, spacious feeling. The premium surround sound audio system transforms every drive into a concert experience. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out on a long road trip. But let's talk about what everyone really wants to know, the engine. According to reports, the 2026 Dodge Shadow Titan X could be powered by a monstrous 6.8-liter twin-turbocharged Hemi V8, producing an incredible 820 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar-level power in a full-size luxury SUV. Power is sent through sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system that constantly adjusts to maximize traction and performance. Early estimates suggest the Shadow Titan X could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. For a vehicle of this size, that's simply outrageous. Imagine launching a massive SUV with the acceleration of a sports car while still enjoying luxury seating, off-road capability, and family practicality. The exhaust note is expected to be pure American muscle deep, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. Would you rather own this 820 horsepower V8 monster or a high-performance electric SUV? Drop your answer below. Performance isn't limited to straight-line speed. Dodge has reportedly equipped the Shadow Titan X with adaptive suspension technology and multiple drive modes. In comfort mode, the SUV becomes smooth, quiet, and refined. Switch into sport mode, and the entire vehicle sharpens up with quicker responses and more aggressive handling. For off-road adventures, specialized terrain settings help tackle mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails with confidence. Large performance brakes provide impressive stopping power, while advanced suspension tuning keeps the SUV stable even during spirited driving. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2026 Dodge Shadow Titan X is expected to start at around $92,000. Fully loaded models equipped with luxury upgrades, premium interior packages, and advanced off-road equipment could easily exceed $135,000. Dodge is expected to offer multiple trims, including the standard Titan X, an off-road focused overland version, and a high-performance Hellstorm edition. When compared to rivals like the G-Class, Defender, OCTA, and Escalade-V, the Shadow Titan X stands out as the boldest and most aggressive option. It combines the luxury of a premium SUV, the performance of a muscle car, and the capability of an off-road machine into one unforgettable package. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 Dodge Shadow Titan X is built for drivers who want power, luxury, capability, and attention all in one vehicle. Its aggressive styling, premium interior, advanced technology, and monstrous V8 performance make it one of the most exciting SUV concepts we've seen. This isn't an SUV for people who want to blend in. It's for those who want every arrival to feel dramatic and every drive to feel memorable. If Dodge ever turns this vision into reality, it could become one of the most talked about performance SUVs on the market. So would you buy the 2026 Dodge Shadow Titan X? And what feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to the Car Review Hub, turn on notifications, and follow the Car Review Hub for more future vehicle reviews, concept reveals, and the latest automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.